Good morning, students. Today I'm going to start the revision part. So, let's revise chapter 1 Parts of a Computer. So, before starting the chapter, let's recall what is computer first. Okay? So, a computer is an electronic machine which perform a variety of tasks. Variety means it performs number of tasks. Okay, computer is an amazing machine that can do different types of work. We can play games, write letters, draw pictures, listen music, check spellings, do calculations, etc. on a computer. So what they are saying, what we can do using computer, we can play games, we can write letters, we can make letters, we can make reports, we can draw pictures, and we can listen music also using computer. We can listen music on computer system also, and we can check spellings we can check, right? See, whenever we write anything or whenever we make any letter using computer, so whenever we write any wrong spelling, so it gives a red line under that word if we write anything wrong, and it suggests us correct spellings also. Okay, so we can check spellings also, and it is used to do calculations also. We can use calculations using computer, because in computer also there is a calculator program which we can use for making calculations. Okay, and it can store a lot of information. We can save lots of information in a computer system, and we can save it permanently. Means if suppose if you are storing any information on papers, so the life of the paper is not so long. Means we have to keep the paper safely, and after some time the paper may get damaged. Okay, so but in computer you can save your information for long lasting. Okay, and you can access it anywhere. And in the previous class you have learned the uses of a computer in different fields. They are used almost in every sphere of life. Let's review some of these areas. So here in the picture we have some applications of computer, or means where the fields where computers are used. Okay, so computers are used in offices. On a very basic level, computers are used in offices, from the very basic level to the very higher level. And in hospitals, computers are used for surgery also, and for controlling and for monitoring the condition of the patient, like the pulse, the blood pressure, heartbeats, and many other conditions. And it is used in designing means the design of anything, like the designing of car, designing of books, designing of anything, designing of buildings. So using computer, using some specific types of software, we can use computer for making designs of different vehicles, for making designs of buildings, for making designs of books, for designing different types of covers. Okay, and we can use computers are used in banking. Computers are the very important part of the banks, because in banks our account details and all the information is stored on a computer system. The records of employees are stored on a computer, and many other accounting informations are stored. So see, if you have gone to bank with your parents once, so you may know that whenever we go to the bank, so they just ask our account number, and they open our accounts. They get the whole information about us and about our account balance and everything. So how they are opening it? Because it is saved somewhere, that's why they are opening na. Okay, next field is in the field of animation. So nowadays we all can see that in animation computer is used very broadly. We can number of time we have seen different types of 3D animation movies like Lion King. You all have seen, na? So it's a 3D movie. So it is also designed on a computer system, using computer system. In airports, computers are used for monitoring the location of aircrafts, and for reservation also computer is used, and in defense also computer is used for monitoring the position of various different types of machines, and different types of, it is used for different types of controlling also. And space research computer is used. In the space research computer is used in the field of research also. This research is related to the field of medical also. In medical research also computer system is used, है ना? So you all have seen that computer is covering almost all the sphere of our life. It is used everywhere in the, from our home to the research center, in hospitals, everywhere it is used at a very broad level, and it makes our work very easy. Using computer we can do the things very easily. So do you all knows that Charles Babbage, he is the father, he is called the father of computer system. Mr. Charles Babbage, he is called the father of computer system. And in the next fact file we have IBM's first PC was introduced on August 12, 1981. So IBM, International Business Machine, it's a company which has developed the first personal computer on 12th August 1981, and the PC stood for personal computer. Okay, the full form of PC is personal computer, making IBM responsible for popularizing the name PC, because the term which is popular now, PC, normally we call computer system PC. So this name was popularized by IBM. Okay, so see, we have seen so many areas where we use computer. Do you know how the computer system works? Okay, so now I will tell you, but before understanding about the working of computer system, let's have a look here. A computer is one of the greatest inventions of mankind. It works at a very high speed and performs the following functions. Means we all know that computer is one of the very greatest inventions of mankind, and it works at a very high speed. It works very fast. It gives us accurate results always, and it never get tired, है ना? It always gives us accurate results. So let's have a look at the functions of computer system. First function is input. Input accept data given by the user. Users means the person who is using the computer system is called the user. So input means input, maybe it can be a number, image, or any instructions that we are given to the computer using keyboard or mouse, or any input device is called the input. So input is given by the user using any input device, and using input devices we enter data and instructions. Next part is processing. After getting the input, the computer system process on the input. So it works on data according to the instructions. Suppose we have entered two numbers and we want to add those numbers. Suppose we have entered 10 and 20. So 10 and 20 are called data, and the plus is the instructions that we want to sum those numbers. So the computer system process on the data and instructions. जैसा हम instructions देंगे, it will process accordingly on the data. And output, it gives the desired results. Means output is the final result that we get through the output devices like monitor and printer. So we get the final result on a monitor we can see the result, or we can take the printout of the result. And next very important function of computer is storage. It stores the information according to our need. Suppose sometimes we just want to perform any task, but sometimes we want to save our data. Like if you are making letter using computer, so obviously you will save your data in computer. So a computer system can store a huge amount of data inside it. Okay, and at the time of need we can access the data. Okay, so that's all for today. In the next class I will revise the remaining portion of this chapter. Okay, so you always read the chapter again and you can ask your doubts. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.